In this video, we're going to show you how to use email conditional logic for elemental forms. It means you are able to configure a form to be sent to different addresses based on the options chosen. You can refer to this example. We will take another simple example. Join us in this video. Create a form first. Name with 3 options A, B, and C, and message using text. Here, we'll set the following conditions. When name A is selected, the form will be sent to A's email. If name B is selected, it will be sent to B's email, and similarly with name C. Doing by navigate to Action after Submit. Click to plus icon and to tag Email Conditional Logic. Now we will set condition for the first one. Change the email address for A. Next, enable conditional logic. Choose display mode sensitive. Set condition, copy and paste the field ID of name. Choosing is for operator and A for value. Do the same way with name B and C. We've done. Save and have a preview. Fill out the form. Open emails and see the results. Here you can see email. It ends here. We hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you so much and have a nice day.